Dear PT students, our second topic is water and the plant growth. You know very well in the process of the photosynthesis, I have told you that water is the raw material which is required in a small quantity for the process of the photosynthesis. We will learn about the uses or the importance of the plant in the plant body, and the first use is the use in the process of photosynthesis. Small water of amount of water is required for the photosynthesis, and the energy which is trapped by the sunlight divides the water into hydrogen and the oxygen ions. The hydrogen then combine with the carbon dioxide to form the carbohydrate, that is the food of the plant. Okay, so in this way, in the process of the photosynthesis, water is essential. The second most important use of the plant, that plants don't have the skeleton like the human beings, but but in order to support the cell, in order to turgid or swallow the cell, what plant cells require water. In the plant cell, there is a large size of the vacuole which after getting the water it swallow, and it gives turgidity, or the it avoids wilting of the plant cell. In this way you can observe that the water cause a root pressure, or it gives a turgid shape to the plant cell. And if there is a leakage of the water, I mean in the surrounding there is a more water, then water will move from vacuole towards the outside. Then you can say that you can look the after losing the water from the vacuole, causing it to shrink. It means the water is highly essential for the, you can say, the proper shape and the turgidity of the cell. Over here you can observe that they have shown you three plants. Over here we give water to plants, that's why it is in a strong and a stable position. But over here, due to leakage of water, it is going to start in a wilting position. Over here all the turgidity of the plant have now removed. It means the water is highly essential and it supports the plant. So these are the two uses of the plant for the uses of the water for the plant body. Mean water provides use as a raw material in the photosynthesis, and water provides support as well.